Hello folks, this is my Honda Rebel CMX1100 2025. I ordered CPU flash stage 1 because of the problems with second lambda sensor, which was giving me trouble codes P0139 related with second lambda sensor bank 1. That was a real nuisance. Every 50 or 100 kilometers it was causing a headache, and so I decided to do stage 1. In fact, it was advised by the guy who is in charge of such a thing. Instead of Honda lambda eliminators, which also cost money, and you have to carry with you all that devices plugged in to sockets, I decided to have my CPU flashed. Plus cancelling speed limiter, plus eliminating second lambda sensor. So stage 1 gave me a lot of nice and pleasant feelings related with the road. So hit the road now, and now try to show you and explain how it looks in reality, in action. I would like to mention few advantages which I gained having CPU flashed. Apart from cancelling speed limiter and programming of the auto sensor, of course the point was to make the engine work more smooth. The reaction, the throttle response is completely different. It's more sensitive, more fragile, and the engine, the sound of engine is a bit different. I've ridden this motorbike 10,000 kilometers, so I know perfectly how the engine works at full range of revs. So I can say that now it's not, I don't have such a feeling that it's stressed because of low RPM like on the normal mode, which is completely idiotic, but that's the settings of DCT. You like it or you hate it. Normally what I do, I have here user 1 mode, which I set just like I prefer. This is supposed to be like that. On low revs, the engine sound and engine behavior, the revs are smooth. The sound, the feeling, there is no rattling like a diesel, like old diesel from 80s, like without turbocharger, the first diesels. So this is not like that it was previously. So at the moment it's smooth, so that's a big advantage. The second advantage is it gained a willingness to increase revs at the whole range. The whole range, it's really eager to rev in. It likes, the engine really likes revving, and that's the benefit. Of course, there is one disadvantage: a fuel consumption, which is in plus about 10%, more or less. I cannot say too much after riding it 200 kilometers after having CPU flashed, so I cannot tell you that. But of course, with time I will add my reflections and you will know. So stay tuned and like and subscribe. Co, Riku? Aha. Idziemy do domu, co?